Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can blur a video on CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Keep watching. So I have here a video on CapCut, and what you just really need to do is to click on the video, head over to effects, head over to video effects, then search up the effect that you want. Now let's say, since we're looking for a blur, so we just need to search a blur. Luckily I've already searched a blur, and you'll see all of these kinds of blurs that you can use on CapCut, but some of them are actually premium, so we can't use that if you're not on premium. I mean, I'm not on premium either. So I'm just gonna click on the first one here, which is blur. So it's gonna be looking like this now. As you can see, the blur effect has been added into the video, and it's that simple. That's how you add blur. But say you want to only blur a part of the video, what you can actually do is to add an overlay, not the entire video. Let's say you add an overlay of the same video, which is this one. I already imported it. So, and now what you need to do is to just blur that overlay video, but not the video underneath it, not the non-overlay video or the base video. So I'm just gonna be removing the blur for that one, making sure it's the same size for this one. And then what we need to do is to just again add effects for it, same to what we did with the base video. Add the blur like that, and then what we need to do is to go to mask by going here, and then you choose which shape you want to use. Let's say you only want mirrors, so it's gonna be blurring only this part of the video, or at least the just call it the chords, making it look like that, and actually it will only blur that part of the video. So that's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.